What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you an update on Tron King, right? Now, this is very, very important. If you were using Tron King via the Klever app, there's been some updates and some things that you need to do to continue using Tron King. Now, before I jump right into the info, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. You guys know Tron King, the smart contract that's absolutely doing a phenomenal job, the king of all smart contracts. And I want to let you guys know that there's been some major updates due to Apple changing the rules as usual, right? I love Apple. I'm an Apple guy. I got all the Apple products, but Apple is known to change the rules and sometimes make it difficult for those of us who are trying to just get along and do what we need to do, right? And so I want to tell you guys that for Klever App, Apple has changed some rules so that they no longer have a DApp browser. That's right. You cannot go to a website through the Klever App, right? And so I want you guys to see what you need to do now so that you can continue to participate with Tron King. All right. Now, first, let me go into this and show you that the Klever App browser is no longer there. If you go to the little browser icon, which we used to go to copy and paste our web addresses into to go to DApps, it is no longer available. It shows you some Klever products, some DeFis, and some games now. That's what that icon shows. But I'm going to let you guys know that, hey, hope is not all lost. What we can do is import our Tron wallet from the Klever app to the TronLink app or extension, right? The TronLink wallet. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do that today so that you can continue to participate in Tron King, okay? Now, let me go ahead and minimize this really quick because the first thing that you need to do is actually go download the extension for TronLink. Now, you can go in and search this information online or whatever you need to do. I went in and put in a search for TronLink. It comes to the TronLink website. If you want to go directly to the website, it's tronlink.org. And once you get to tronlink.org, it's going to show you several different icons here in which you can download it. Today, I'm interested in downloading the browser extension. So I'm going to pull that from the Chrome web store. So once I do that, it pulls up this link right here and it says TronLink and it says add to Chrome. So that's exactly what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add this to my Chrome browser here so that I can actually use TronLink to connect with Tron King. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and read this. It says read and change all data on all websites, modify data, you copy and paste. That's what TronLink can do. So we're going to say add extension, right? So once we add extension, it's going to go ahead and put it here. You see the little TronLink logo here. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. That's what it tells you. That's exactly how you use the extensions from here. Now, you see that you get full support from Tron, right? So it gives you the option to create a wallet or to import a wallet. So today what we want to do is to import the wallet because we want to import a wallet from the Klever wallet, okay? So I want you guys to really, really pay attention as I do this. So I'm going to go ahead and import wallet. Now it's going to give you some important user agreement information here. I really highly suggest that you read through all of this information so you can understand exactly what's going on here. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and click on I agree, no more reminders. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and agree to that. Now it's going to tell you to enter or paste your mnemonic phrase, private key, or key store. So that's what you're going to need to do. If you remember your mnemonic phrase when you signed up for Klever, or your private key when you signed up for Klever, or your keystone, right? You're going to want to copy and paste this here so that you can actually go ahead and import your wallet into TronLink. Okay, so that's what you need to do. I'm going to pause the video for now so that I can go ahead and get mine entered. You can go ahead and search for yours so you can get it entered into this spot as well, so we can proceed to the next step. Now, I wanted to show you all where you can find your seed phrase information in the Klever Wallet, because I know some of you may not be familiar with that, or some of you may not be able to locate your original seed phrase that you've written down, but I can show you how to actually pull that up in the Klever Wallet as I pull up my wallet here. Now, once I put in my passcode here, what I'm going to show you is that all you have to do is go to this little menu icon. It's the icon to the furthest to the right here. And if you click on this menu icon, it's going to take you into the settings. Now, once you get into this icon, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on Backup Wallet. Once you click on Backup Wallet, here it's going to take you into a place where you can actually see your seed phrase. Now, as you see, it gives you a security alert here that says that you basically should cover this information up, never give this to anyone else, never let anyone else see this information, right? So with that being said, guys, I'm not going to let you see my information, right? But I wanted to show you where you can find this information in the Klever Wallet, okay? So I'm going to back out of this now. Like I said, I'm going to copy and paste my seed into the TronLink wallet. That way I can upload or back up my Klever wallet into TronLink, and then it'll be available there for me. All right, so guys, give me just a second and I will be right back with you. Okay, so I have my wallet imported now, but I have some tips that I want to go over with you that are going to make this process a lot easier for you. If this is your first time installing the TronLink extension onto your Chrome browser, and you never had a TronLink account before, then what you're going to want to do is to go ahead and create a wallet. Just create a wallet, put in your password, that information and everything, right? Just create a wallet before you import your Klever wallet into your TronLink wallet, okay? Now, I'm going to pull this up and I'm going to show you here so you can see this. Let me pull up my TronLink here, and you can see my account is now imported in here. But what you would want to do is to go to this little plus icon. It may look different if you are on an Android, or if you're on a Windows device. I'm on a MacBook right now, so it may look a little bit different, but you'll go to this add wallet icon. And so when you click on the add wallet, it's going to give you the opportunity to import wallet. And then when you click import wallet, it's going to tell you to enter your mnemonic phrase or your private key or key store. So what you want to do is go ahead and copy and paste that in there, and then you can hit next, and then it's going to import your wallet. Pretty simple, right? No problem. Now that I have my wallet imported, and it's the same wallet that I was participating in Tron King with when I was using Klever to participate in Tron King. So now I'm going to see if it'll allow me to connect to this wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click connect. It says, please unlock your TronLink wallet. Okay, so I got my wallet connected. It did not go as smoothly as I wanted. At first, it didn't recognize my wallet. It told me to unlock my wallet. But when I went back and refreshed my screen and then tried again, it did go in and it pulled up a screen that said connect wallet, and I connected my wallet. You can either connect or decline on that screen. So of course I connected my wallet, and now you guys see that the wallet is all connected here, and I can actually go through the whole back office and everything here and check it out. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how easy that was. It does take a couple times to make sure that you do it correctly, but you can definitely get it imported. And this is my wallet. This is my same exact wallet from Klever that I have now imported into TronLink, and I have connected it to Tron King. So I don't want you guys to think that all is lost because they did take away the DApp browser in Klever. You are still good to go. You just had to import your wallet into TronLink, and once you get it into TronLink, You can connect it to Tron King on your Google Chrome browser, and you are ready to rock and roll, guys. All right. So hopefully this has been very helpful for you. As always, guys, you know we're going to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. But you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.